Welcome back to another episode of Santi Says. I'm your host, Al Santi. Here at Santi Construction, we focus on service. Every one of our employees are service-oriented. They're trained to serve you. We believe that our service program will develop relationships with our clients, and that's what we want. And I know that they're more comfortable working with us with that type of relationship. The environment we created is more like a family environment. We want our employees to feel very comfortable here. We also want our clients to feel very comfortable with our employees. With all that being said, let's stop talking about it, and why don't you meet them?
The culture and environment at Santi Construction is very family oriented.
We like to crack jokes, have fun, laugh and smile with everybody, just give each other a little bit of a good time.
It's pretty laid back here. Alex is my son, Travis is Al's son, we're a close group.
My dad's a great carpenter and he teaches me a lot, as well as Travis. He's learned a lot from my dad and his dad as well.
Other companies, they don't want to take the time to teach people, they just want to be productive and they want quantity. They want to go. Our motto is quality, not quantity. We like to take our time and do things right.
Jeff does a very good job of getting the idea out of my dad's head, because he is that perfectionist for sure.
Al's very good at building relationships and staying connected with our previous clients and then our future clients.
This business is a little different because we're walking into your home, which is a very serious commitment, and there has to be a great level of trust there.
That's what I actually love about it, is that our clients were not only just our clients, but we treat them as if their house was our house. I get to go in, go see that client or that homeowner and get to not only work and make him happy, but also get to, joke around with him a little bit and, get to know him a little bit. So it's pretty cool.
A lot of our clients are here in Grays Lake, but that doesn't restrict us from staying within Grays Lake. We bring that small town feel to each of those jobs.
A lot of our clients are return clients. We do more than one job for them, or they refer us to some of their friends.
We're the kind of business where you just want to feel comfortable, and we rely on relationships as inside of our business as well as outside with our clients.
Since we are Santi Construction and Design, it allows us to take certain creative liberties that other construction companies don't think of. We've been incorporating a lot of reclaimed wood into our jobs and our projects.
All that barn wood and all the old school type look, it's really neat. I've been learning a lot from it.
I'll go down there and I'll just pick out wood and I'll just come up with ideas and I'll touch base with him, and you got to tinker with things, start over, and but yeah, glass shelves with barn wood on it, and just all kinds of stuff.
Al's great to have as a boss. He's very understanding. He'll guide you through any questions that you have, any problems that you can't resolve yourself.
He's asked me if I wanted to go to schooling or what I'd want to do, and so he's not only just treating me as a worker, but treating me with care and wanted to take care of me and see me progress. He wasn't just worried about his business growing. He wanted to see his employees progress and succeed as well as he does.
He wants it done a certain way. He's not gonna mislead anybody with false information or anything. He's just gonna be a straightforward guy, just telling how he wants his work done and how he's gonna get his work done.
He takes really good care of us. So
This is my team, and we're ready to go. See you next month.